Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz G63. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver's fender as well. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curve. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Front and back door look perfect here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the SUV now. Alright, the spare tire cover has no scratches at all. The back bumper looks fine. Everything here is in excellent condition. The trunk looks good as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both the front and back door look really good here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on either door. Now the last fender of the wheel looks perfect. The fender has no scratches and dents, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside, and we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the side looks good as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.